Week 4 wrap up. Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the fourth week of the 8-week session, it means that we have covered one half of the class or the equivalent of 2 months worth of work in a regular semester. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I also post them on the Blackboard calendar. A few reminders are in order. Map quiz number 2, Africa and the Middle East, is due tonight, Friday, April 26 by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 2 is due tomorrow, Saturday, April 27 by 11:59 p.m. Exam number 2, chapters 5 through 8, that became available Thursday, April 25th, is due Sunday, April 28 by 11:59 p.m. Make sure and follow directions for the reflections. Make sure they reflect the material covered in the textbook and in the lectures. Make references to the material to illustrate your assertions to score the maximum number of points. Also, follow the guidelines for summations of your reflections. I am getting caught up with the grading. I should have the special topics number 2 graded by the end of today. Everything up to that assignment has been graded. Please remember to review the lectures posted in the modules. Read the lecture slides. Listen and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 per chapter. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated in the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guides. The study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor will speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. Please remember to log into the course at least once so I can see that you're active in class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course. Most of you are doing well with this, but there's a group of about 5 students who go on 5 or 6 days without logging in. It looks like at least a couple of people are going to be dropped over this weekend if they don't log in the next day or so. Warnings have been sent out to those students. Have a great weekend and see you online.